Peace and blessings, fam. Today, my challenge is to create a beautiful style for my client. As you can see, she does have some hair loss around her edges. She has some thinning at the top and around her sides. But no more worries, ladies, because I am here to help. Yes, first, as with all my clients when they come in, I always make sure that I moisturize their hair really well. So as you can see, I am moisturizing her hair with my G&G hair growth butter. Yes, my G&G hair growth butter is made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Look at this head and scalp massage that I am giving her. Look how that hair butter is just moisturizing her hair and her scalp. And as you can see, I am massaging it not only just into her scalp, but on her hair as well. Look how I'm pulling the oils and that hair growth butter from the scalp all the way down her hair shafts. Yes, this is what you want to do, ladies. This is what's going to promote hair growth, loving on our hair. So I do this with each and every one of my clients when they come in. I assess their hair issues. I moisturize their hair with my hair growth butter. I do a deep head and scalp massage, and then I finish it off with what you see me using here, which is our G&G hair growth oil. Yes, G&G stands for grandmother and granddaughter because we produce this oil and this hair growth butter together. And here it goes, the lace part cap. Yes, this is an anti-slip lace part cap. As you can see, it has silicone that goes around the complete perimeter of the cap. Yes, it goes all the way around, and it also has a pre-lace part. Yes, this is a lace part cap, and it's 4 crochets. You can purchase it on my website. So if you want to tap the link in the description below, go to my website and get your order in today. This anti-slip cap keeps your hair from slipping, sliding, shifting, or anything through the process or during the duration that you have this style. It is especially good for those who have hair loss, alopecia, who have thin hair, and even for those who have healthy hair who just want to give their hair a break. And at the same time, again, you do not want your cap to slip, slide, or shift during the duration of your style, and this anti-slip cap works wonders. It's absolutely excellent and perfect. So as you can see here, I am doing some passion twists. Yes, these are some crochet passion twists. Look at that. She's going to be able to pull this up into a ponytail to get it up off of her head, or she maybe just want to just do some kind of updo style. She's going to be able to do that without seeing any parts of the net, as well as not seeing any of the braid, that perimeter braid that's going around the nape or the neck. So this cap is so beneficial. The main reason why I use the lace cap is not only for the lace part, because that makes it look a lot natural, but also to protect her hair. As you can see here, I am crocheting these passion twists directly on the cap and not her hair. Yes, that's going to reduce a lot of the weight and tension and pressure on her natural hair as possible. And that's what I want to do, ladies. My goal is always to promote hair growth and not hair loss. So as you can see, this is coming out really full. I'm just filling in any gaps in any areas where I think that she has, where she needs some more fullness. And this part is coming out absolutely gorgeous. The lace part that's already installed in this cap makes it so much easier. It reduces so much time because the part is already there, and all you have to do is crochet and get as close to the part as you most possibly can so that your part looks as natural as possible. So again, this is some passion twist. The color is a 1B27. It is coming out absolutely gorgeous. I love it, and so does she. Look at that part. As you can see right there, again, the lace part is already there, and again, that's what makes it look so natural, ladies. So if you have not used this lace part cap, before. If you're wondering where you can purchase it, again, you can tap the link in the description below and get your order in. So today I'm bringing you a second style. Yes, this is some more crochets. And again, I did that same method where I used the anti-slip crochet part, a crochet cap. But this time I installed my custom made closure. Yes, because she did have some severe hair loss in the front, I used my custom closure. And again, that is also on my website. So when you go check out my website, look for that custom made closure. I have them, they're already pre-braided, so it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Yes, super simple to install, and you can do it yourself, ladies. You can save on that money and try creating these styles on your own. So that is what I'm doing here, is I am custom making this closure for her, and then I am going to do the crochets. She is going to be getting some crochet faux locks. Yes, these are some curly faux locks. This style is going to come out absolutely gorgeous. So continue to keep watching. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks with this style that you do not want to miss. So again, continue to keep watching. Thank you all so much for your support. Please continue to watch my videos. Please leave me any comments, any questions in the comment section below. I do not mind any questions. So again, stay safe, stay blessed, and continue to keep watching to the end to see how this beautiful style is created.